Welcome guys to our trip to Suswa. This is Massive Explorer. We welcome you guys to join us in this trip as we move from Nairobi terminus SGR to Suswa. We will keep you posted on all our adventures. We have wildlife experience, we have a tunnel experience, we have food, we have games. We will keep you all posted, and better for all, we have a cake cutting for our July babies. Welcome guys, join us. This is our third trip going as Massive Explorers. We'll make sure to keep you posted and make sure to join us on the next trip. We love you, we appreciate you. Subscribe, like, and repost. Clock it.
Welcome once again. This is another trip. We are heading to Suswa. This has been, I think, the second most farthest place we are going after we exploited Mount Longonot. So we are here to exploit Suswa and its environment. They call it the Maasai city or the Maasai town. So hopefully we are going to have a good time. We are expecting some good views as we go by the three tunnels, especially the three tunnels. We are expecting some good views. We are expecting to see Mount Longonot from afar, the one that Tuliswetban, as well as Mount Suswa and so many others. We are expecting some good times, making friends, making fun times, and definitely making memories. So welcome once again as we exploit another town, another city, another adventure. We make memories, we have fun and make friends. Keep in touch. We are going to make the best out of this. What up? Out.
sema.
Haya ndio hiyo.
Haya.